Welcome to the fire station's emergency response center. I'm firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire. Firefighter, please come and put out the fire. The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off. Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. Fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water.
I'm front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window.
Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to... Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter Kiki is on the way! Don't be afraid, Candy. The rescue team will be here soon. life buoy on him. Rescue mission completed! Bye! Goodbye, firefighter! There is an emergency call for help! What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby fox has climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Bye! Goodbye, Kiki! There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket! Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue! It's urgent! Come on, Kiki! The fire extinguisher can put out the fire! Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go! Don't be afraid, Fuzzy. The fire rescue will start immediately. There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. The trapped person is struggling to breathe and needs help. Oh. Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. The emergency shovel can shovel away all obstacles. The trapped person is struggling to breathe and needs help. Thank you. There is an obstacle. Get it. Choose protective tools for the trapped people. Yeah! Thank you. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly. Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah! This is a perfect rescue! Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors, waiting for firefighters to rescue. Danger removed. Bye! Goodbye, firefighter! Enter the correct number to lift the barrier. The fire truck has returned successfully. Let's wash it. At the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. The button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert. What a busy day! You're the greatest firefighter! Bye!